sure you're never going to be able to tell, but we have some huge drifts out there. It's not so bad right here. In fact, it doesn't look like we've barely had any snow here. But this pasture goes downhill. I don't know if you can see it, but these are huge mounds of snow. Get it around the shelter. In the shelter. Snow here for a long time. I'm not even able to get into that gate yet. Yeah, oh, maybe with the sun you can see it better. Oh, there's some huge drifts. And basically the shelter is what caused that. Just swirled around it as a big old U. I've plowed or snowblowed this 3 times and I just gave up because it just keeps filling it. Ended up being a really nice day though. The roads are finally starting to clear up, and we got most of our snow moved. He's over there finishing that side, and then there's just a couple scoopfuls that I just like hand shoveled, and the snowblower won't move it now. I'm just so sad. It was 70 a week ago and dry, and now our pastures better look amazing from all this. Look at this mound of snow. It's huge. There he is. Yeah, I just gotta move that. And I don't know if he's gonna move this stuff or not. We like to keep our trailers and things accessible, but I don't know. I'm wishing that I would have just got rid of all of this snow also, but it's what it is. The horses can walk through a little bit. Yeah. Let me see here. Hold on. I come over this way. And look at this. It's taller than my swing that I sit on. This is same thing, just insane amount of snow for one snowfall. It's way up the tree. You can see it on my arbor. On the other side is almost to the top of that fence. The poor little birdies. They're trying to find anywhere to land. I'm glad it's over. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. It's spring, guys.